Imagine a world in which you can 3D print parts, metal, carbon fiber, polymers for aircraft, vehicles, or any other weapon system, anytime, anywhere. That the promise of commercial-grade additive manufacturing is truly realized both in cost and scalability. We can ease the burdens of our supply chains, maintenance personnel, and vehicle operators. We can transform military logistics and usher in a new era of expeditionary parts production. The Texas National Guard is working on the next generation of 3D printing that is 15 times faster and 5 times cheaper. We found this technology in our local community here in Texas in a company called Ascentium. We sponsored them for an AFWERX Small Business Innovation Research Grant, and they were awarded $750,000. The Texas Military Department took possession of an Ascentium high-speed extrusion printer, and after extensive experimentation, developing tooling, molding, fixtures, and jigs for our Black Hawk Combat Aviation Brigade, F-16 Fighter Wing, and C-130 Airlift Wing, we're ready to expand this capability further.
Coronavirus here in the U.S.
0.7 million cases of COVID-19.
3 to 6 month delay for essential items, including...
Imagine a world with crumbling logistical chains, where demand exceeds supply and the very safety of those we care about is at stake. The Guard is facing this world right now with an enemy we can't see. The solution requires speed and flexibility, ingenuity and innovation. TMDX, the Texas Military Department Innovation Unit, was called into action to support the Texas Governor's Strike Force to help solve critical challenges in the response to this COVID-19 pandemic. These include a shortage of ventilators, masks, and other personal protective equipment. In partnership with Ascentium, we designed and were awarded FDA Emergency Use Authorization for a 3D printed mask with replaceable filters that are 10 times cheaper to produce than our current supply chains. Now, Texas Guardsmen and first responders around the state have the critical PPE they need to ensure their safety. Next, we are working to print parts for emergency ventilators and the production of material that is both antiviral and antimicrobial. The Air Force created a new program with the Small Business Innovation Research Office called Air Force Ventures to take strategic bets in promising game-changing technologies. Ascentium, in partnership with the Texas Guard and the Air Force Materials Command, was selected as one of the winners by the Secretary of the Air Force. Through this program, the Air Force will double any investment the National Guard Bureau puts into Ascentium. Our ask? By supporting us with a total of $8 million over the next 4 years and the Air Force match, we'll be able to take that $16 million to scale this technology throughout Guard Nation. We have leveraged this unique capability of being citizen soldiers and airmen to bring this to fruition. The National Guard Bureau can take a leadership role with the Department of Defense to bring adaptive and secure logistics that will not only save billions, but will greatly enhance our readiness, resilience, and ultimately, our national security.